How can we type in those accent mark letters on Mac in Microsoft Word? First, we need to press and hold down that letter base. So let's say letter A. Hold it down and you will see this pop-up menu above. We can now use different version of this letter. You can press the number that is corresponding to that version next. Keep in mind, I'm still holding A down. Now I'm pressing number 8 and I got this accent mark version of A. This will work exactly the same with other letters. So press and hold, wait a moment, and you will get this pop-up menu. You can also use your mouse to click on the version you need. Here it is. Of course, if you switch the keyboard to certain language, there are also additional shortcuts to make this even faster. But this is the most universal way. Press and hold. And even though my language is set as English, I can still select those accent mark letters. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.